What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So long story short, I got a crack in my radiator and it's been leaking all kinds of fluids, so today we're going to be replacing it. Let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to drain the fluid. So all you got to do is just pinch these down. You could use some pliers to make it easier. That's what I did. Just pinch it down, and then all you're going to do is pull it back. Just pull it back for now. For the next step, go get your pan or whatever you have to catch the fluid and just pull it out.
Hey, it's on there tight.
You could take off your radiator cap and the fluid should drain faster.
Oh, dang.
Next, you remove these two clips. This right here is where your radiator is at. Now you just pull back these clamps just like the big one.
I gripped it already.
You also want to get the ones under the car. All of these should be connected to the radiator. And there's going to be one more on the other side.
Got it.
You want to make sure you drain the little ones too. After this, you want to take off these two bolts right here.
You could do it now.
Next, you undo the bolt on the air intake. Just unplug any sensors that are also getting into the way. Next, you just loosen up this two part and the intake should come right out. Some more sensors right here. These right here, you just twist and they come right off. Here's a better view of what we unplugged earlier. Next, you have to unbolt these. There's just one on each side.
Oh shit. Dang. Something.
It still wasn't clearing, so we had to make a little bit more room.
What about this? You don't need to take that cap off?
Yeah. So, oh shit. Oh, it moves to the side.
Yeah.
This one?
We also took off a bolt on the driver's side. It was by the AC line just to make a little bit more space.
Got it?
Yeah.
After that, just work with it for a little while and it should come right out.
Part right here. Yeah. There you go. Oh, there you go.
After this, you just pull out the radiator.
Watch. Right here. And then right here.
It was cracked?
Yeah, right, somewhere through here it was leaking.
It's with it.
And then look at this, all corroded.
Oh yeah.
I got the leaves too.
I'm gonna put this one on.
Next, you want to put the radiator back in. It's easier if somebody else helps you.
Oh, just like that.
And all you want to do is just plug everything back in.
You got it?
Yeah. Just connect all of them over there.
You got that one?
Yep.
All you got to do is just repeat the same steps and put everything back just how you took it off.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Finally, the last two steps are just putting in the coolant and bleeding the system.
Oh, splash me.
After you put in the fluid, what you want to do is you want to get into your car. You want to turn on the AC, put it as hot as you can. That way it could warm up all the coolant, and you also want to rev your car to 2 to 3,000 RPMs for 10 seconds 3 times. After this, you go to the bleeder valve, which is right by the battery, and what you're going to do is you're going to twist it to the left, and you're going to see air bubbles coming out. Once there's no more air bubbles coming out and there's nothing but fluid, that means you're done. So once again, first what you do is you get in the car, you turn on the heater, rev it up. Then after that, you're going to go to this bleeder valve and twist it. And then you're going to do it until fluid comes out. If fluid doesn't come out, you just repeat the process until it
Is that
does.
good or bad?
That's good.
Does that mean it doesn't really have leaks?
No, all the air's coming out right now. But it's still, there's still air coming out.
Oh,
And there's still air coming out.
As you can see, there's nothing but air coming out, so once you get all of it out, just tighten it back up and repeat the process.
Yeah, we could still put. I think it might be good.
You're all done once you see the fluid pouring out. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know if it was helpful in the comments, or leave a like if you want. I have lots of content coming for you guys soon, including new parts. One of them is already on the G, and the next I will be adding. So stay tuned, and thank you all for watching.